Tinultukan na ni Maris Racal at ng River Maya vocalist na si Rico Blanco ang relasyon nila matapos ang 5 taon. Sa ginawang press con ngayong Biyernes ay kinumpirma ni Maris Racal na ilang linggo na silang hiwalay ni Rico. Ayon sa aktres ay hanggang ngayon umano ay hindi pa din siya makapaniwala sa naging ending ng kanilang relasyon ni Rico Blanco. Nilinaw din ni Maris na walang kinalaman sa kanilang hiwalayan ang kanyang on-screen partner na si Anthony Jennings.
At this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if at the height of your career, bigla kang alokin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus na po.
So, mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but, ay, sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request permission paper, please? Thank you. Yes, I'm fine. There. I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Kasi nakakapagpilip tayo. Smiling. And nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, that it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang bang mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Only a 7 weeks that I've experienced in my life.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Well, wala nang tanong, but nangyari. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated yan situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. The truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, changes either good or bad. what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. It's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues, sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk. Because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me. But I have so many questions about my life. How will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self? It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. And Rico is one of a kind. If only I can skip through my 20s, you know. But they can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. And
Sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil na kung nag-click yung ano niya ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
Anthony is out of the picture. It's just me, and Rico. Maybe a dish.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it.
Okay.
Since while we're at it, I would like to ask, to humbly ask about it. To look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love. Because we're both grieving. Hindi naman makakontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao, but please don't direct your hate towards Rico. He's too precious for that. If you guys want to throw so punches, I'm ready to take them.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. Sorry. Okay, thank you.